Good afternoon, Bluebeamers. My name is Troy DeGroot with Chapter 2, and I'm excited to partner with the team at Brighter Graphics to deliver world-class Bluebeam training and customization services so you can get the most out of your Bluebeam investment. So I'm going to go up under Review to start out in the upper left corner. Markup mode and view mode. So depending on what type of license you have, you may want to look in here. If you're in markup mode, that means that you can actually make markups on the drawing. If you're in view mode, that means that you can only view PDFs. You can't mark them up, and you're actually not pulling a license from the pool of shared licenses there. So if you stay in view mode, you're not actually using a license. You're just viewing those. As soon as you move it to, as soon as you highlight blue the markup mode, now you're pulling a license from that pool and you're able to mark things up. I hope you took some notes. I hope you enjoyed the detailed introduction of parts of the interface in Bluebeam Revu. Thanks for joining us. Reach out to Darren and his team at Brighter Graphics to learn more about additional licenses of Revu Extreme or the small investment of upgrading your existing seats. And as always, if you have any questions regarding training or customization services for your company, don't hesitate to reach out to our team as well.